Ever wished you could write notes, meeting minutes, or project details directly inside your tasks, without switching to another app? Sure, there is the description field, but it's not always ideal for longer texts, and sometimes you just need a clearer way to separate different pieces of information. Now, you can create full text documents inside a task. To create a text document, click Add Attachment. Select New Text Document. Enter a name for the document. Write your text. Click Save when you are done. If you make a lot of changes over time, it can be useful to compare versions. In the comparison view, you can see what text was added and removed. You can easily restore an old version. There is also an autosave feature. So if you close your browser or restart your computer by mistake, you can restore your unsaved changes. In summary, the new text document feature lets you comfortably write, edit, and organize longer texts, all without leaving Kanban flow. We hope you have enjoyed this video.